We watched a film that was a guy channeling from either was it a spirit or was it from another planet? Do you remember? Well, it was an entity beyond Earth, and this guy was channeling about climate change and global warming, and this entity was telling us that it had nothing to do with us and our human activity. It was solar flares on the sun.
So Ron Johnson said
and we were watching this documentary, or whatever you would call it, this channeling. At the same time that we had 3 days in January of 60-degree weather. And people were out in short sleeves, and the sun was slanted like it is during the winter time, but it was all messed up. And then it snowed, and it was like this blanket of snow just covered up the truth, you know? And then I thought, well, whatever the truth is, we're fucked. So, and then I wrote this song, and actually there's some hope in the song, and it comes from things like this, coming together, swarming like bees, learning from other species and how they get into positive group mind, positive group think, buzzing in a higher vibration, if you will, in ways that we can learn to do. It's in our, I think it's in our biology. So this is called Earth's Barren Ground. Like that meatball in old Smoky Stream, but no será lo que sea. You see, the lights are red and streaming through the corridors of your mind, and I'll wake up in pain and confusion, and we take up too much room. And though I suffer from illusions, when we swarm as a hive together, all bees in this weather, we're less than doomed. Stay tuned. And don't put your hope in the machine. We gotta help each other to stop driving. And don't forget to look to the sky. You're not alone.